So hey guys, so now I want us to do next week's analysis on gold, okay? And I will start only from the daily time frame. I won't move to the lower time frames. Let's start from this time frame, okay? First of all, we will understand that we have been bullish. That is the first thing we need to know, okay? So what we look for is the last market structure shift. And if we look at that, we had this high being taken out there. For all those who know what that is a basic break of structure. Are we together? So now, after this break of structure, we need to look for our next demand zone and where we shall be looking for buy opportunities. So on the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, our demand zone, as always, the last sell candle before the impulsive move. Are we together? So if we look at that candle, that is our demand zone. So if we get the market to come back to around this area, okay, if we get the market to come back to around this area, we can have this bounce, okay, and look for confirmations. Again, remember, we always trade with confirmations, okay? So now, what is the quality of this demand that we have? Number one, this demand has broken structure. Number two, we have an imbalance, or rather known as fair value gap, which we can take trades from. Are we together? If we move now down to the 4 hours, we see that on Friday, price aggressively pushed towards this high, but it failed to close above. But instead, we closed with a reaction, and now we closed with a sell market. Are we together? Why was this? Are we together? Why was this? We had a shift here, okay? We had a very nice shift here, as we can see. We had a very nice shift here, okay? So price had gone to take a supply. So on Monday, one thing will decide if we shall continue buying or we shall head towards this demand. What is that? We shall be watching for this area. Do you see this area? This area is very crucial, okay? Why? Because also here we have a demand zone where the market will have filled this fair value gap. Are we together? We have a demand zone where the market will have filled this fair value gap. So we need to break out of this zone, okay? We need to break out of this zone so that we are able to drop towards this demand. So on Monday, that is the simple analysis I'm looking at. But basically, I would like the market to come down all the way here. Why? We have left an area of imbalance that needs to be filled. As you can see, we have an area of imbalance that needs to be filled. So let's meet on Monday. Trade responsibly. Cheers, guys.